morning. It'll be all over in the morning. In the morning.
Dallas 911, do you need police, fire?
Yeah, a dude just came here tripping. He's trying to, he breaking shit in the store, robbing shit.
What's the address? What store is it? What store is it, sir?
Hello.
Yeah, what's the store?
At the 911 Lemon Avenue. I got trying to pull the dude off for her. He keep on jacking her and trying to rob the store. But he got her on the ground outside though.
What's your name? You said he's trying to rob the store?
Hello? Yeah. He wants out. We don't follow him into everything. We tried. We already tried to get him out. He won't get off of us. Hello?
Yeah, he's hitting a female?
Yeah.
What is he wearing? What
He must have did something to him.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
He wearing blue. There's a lot of customers trying to fight him right now.
What color shirt pants is he wearing?
White and blue.
Does he have any money?
Get out, folks! Yeah, bitch! Hey, man! Hey! Hey! I got money! Get it!
Okay, I'll put in a call for officers to come out.
Yeah, I see him. I know, that's why I'm here. Flip over. Roll over, do it now. Roll over, do it now! Are you fucking listening? Do it! Roll over. Face down. Put your stuff back. Put your other hand back. There you go. There you go. Now sit up. Can you talk? Sit up. Or lay down then. Lay there. What's going on? All right. Where's the female?
She's right there.
Okay.
So I came in here and he just started attacking her, and I was.
She the clerk or who's?
Yeah, she's right here.
Oh, okay. What's up, man? You got anything to say?
It started at CBS. He came
Okay,
to the store.
same guy?
Yeah,
Okay.
same guy.
What are you trying to do, man? Sit there.
He was assaulting her.
Yeah, I got it. Here, sit up. Sit there.
Kill her. Like, what the fuck?
Bravo 544. I got him in cuffs. Slow him down.
Yeah, he came into my store. He pushed me once.
He robbed.
Wait. What did he do over there?
He started a fight with me. He pushed me twice.
Okay.
And then spit in my face. And
Okay.
then he left when I called the cops.
And then he came over here.
Yeah.
Okay. And where's the lady at? You?
She's right here.
She work here?
Yeah, she's right here.
Oh, okay. You got ID on, sir? Got ID on, sir? What? He was laid out when I got here. He was laid out face down. I don't know if they let him out or how you did that, but he He assaulted that guy over there and then ran over here and was assaulting the clerk here. So, don't know why.
Yeah, he was talking about she had some money or something. She ain't had no money. Chased out that damn stove.
He put hands on her. Her. Then he started stripping her like naked. He was trying to naked.
Like you literally pulled everything out. They talking about she had something. She ain't had shit. She was just trying to comply by saying, "I got it. You can have it. You can have it." And no, that ain't it, bro.
Okay. What's your last name, sir?
She's the only one who got here.
You have a name? What's your last name? I don't know. I don't have your money. What's your name? Where's your money? That's all you're going to say? Okay. That's fine.
He was talking to Spit. So then he
I don't know where your money is. I don't know why your pants are down either, sir. All right, you lay on your side then. What are you doing? You pull your shorts up? All right, good idea. No, you can't lay like that. You got to sit up. You got to be this way, sir. You got to be this way. It's easier to breathe if you sit up. Okay. I don't know where your money is.
Pick me up.
Pick you up?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're very sweaty. Put a glove on. I'll pop you up here. All right. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. There you go. Like that. Bravo 544. You're not standing up. We get an ambulance to check out our detainee who can't sit up under his own body. Got an ambulance coming because he's been doing that, man. He can't sit up, so. Make sure that's him. Oh, yeah, that's him. Same tattoo.
You want to put him behind the cage?
It's hotter in there probably than it is out here.
Bro, you're gonna have to sit up, man, so you can breathe. You can't be laying down like that.
All right, Johnson, sit this way. Sit this way and sit up. Sit up. There you go.
Yeah, sit up, man. So you can breathe.
All right. He
What we got?
acting very erratic. The assault over there, a robbery over here, and he can't sit up under his own power.
Okay.
Like he can barely talk, and if we let go of him, he falls over.
Okay.
So-
So y'all probably need a box.
Yeah.
Where
We called one.
See, that's the problem, man. So everything's going through a computer-aided system.
Yeah.
They didn't even look at the car.
All right.
I'll check him out.
Okay.
In custody, taking him in.
Yeah. He's
But he probably.
when I pulled it up, he's got a history of drug use. He won't admit to anything now, but he can barely talk. He barely give me his name, and he was laid out on the ground like out of here. So, throw his shoes in. Throw his shoes in.
Can y'all uncuff him?
Yeah. Want me to uncuff him?
A little bit. Tapped it. So it got his pump. They got him 45 on his heart rate. Was 45.
It's ready.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we're good to roll.
Y'all need him uncuffed?
Yeah, we can do it if you need me to. Whatever you need me to do.
Yeah, let's do that.
No, nothing in the front pockets.
Just in case.
This way get to it.
I'll go and get some. I got nothing on lead too.
Is it?
Ready?
We got to roll with him. So
Yeah, for you.
I gave him my number to call me.
I got nothing on paddles. Let's start CPR.
Shit. There, in case I got to roll, man. Step back.
Hey, grab a radio from up front.
They're still doing testing?
I think so, yeah.